Welcome. Today we will learn indexed extract. Suppose if we want to extract invoice date between 2015 Jan or for the month of between Jan. What I will do here, value greater than or equal to 2015 0101 and less than or equal to operator 2015 01 31st. A date range for Jan na date range Jan 2015. This one is file name. Once again, same output file fields. What should be the output fields? It will be selected, or if has to be removed, then just click on the field. It will be removed from the output one. Now click on OK button. Now once again press OK to run this task. Here is a task run by me, and you can see there is a process ongoing. Now this one is new database, which is having just Jan sales transaction. Okay, this is use of indexed extraction. Thank you.